Welcome back to the next topic, students. IUPAC name. We are not supposed to say IUPAC. It is the IUPAC system of nomenclature. In IUPAC, we are supposed to do the rules to be followed. That is, while you're writing the formula, rules to be followed. When naming the formula, also rule to be followed. So, rules for writing the formula. That is, first we are supposed to write the cation, and then only the anion to be written. For example, simple salt, sodium chloride. Sodium is the cation and chloride is the anion. While writing also, first we are writing cation, then the anion. But when we say also, spell also, we are saying only cation first. Sodium and chlorine. Sodium, chloride only are supposed to say. So whether simple or a complex, cation to be written first. Formula of cation, whether simple or a complex, is written first. Then coordination entity is written in a square bracket only. So in square bracket, there is a central metal atom and a ligons. So central metal atom to be present in the square bracket, and the ligons are not depends upon the charge. So there is ligons are arranged only in a alphabetical order. For example, in a square bracket, within a square bracket, it is enclosed in a closed bracket is the one ligon. But even this Cl also is a ligon, chlorido. This is called amine. So this chlorido and amine to be in a enclosed in a closed bracket, but chlorine is a one of the halogen. Already I told you halogens are not to be enclosed in a closed bracket. We can write simply except halogens, we can write other ligons are in a enclosed in a closed bracket. This is square bracket. The central metal atom first to be written, followed the ligons. So the arrangement of the ligons also to be in alphabetical order. So first C is there chlorido, next only amine is there. So it is a wrong answer. So what to be written NH3 four times to become this side, Cl to the next side. So NH3 four first, amine, this is chlorido C. So this is the way of writing the correct formation. So next fourth point is polydentate ligons are also listed alphabetically only. So here in this example, it's in a square bracket. This is square bracket. This is the enclosed in a closed bracket. This is closed bracket. This is square bracket. Within a square bracket, central metal and ligons are listed out. So that ligons are, this is ethylene diamine. It is a polydentate. Bidentate, and this is a neutral ligand enclosed in a closed bracket. These two are halogen, no need to enclose in a closed bracket. So everything to be present inside the square bracket. So this is called coordination entity. Outside the counter ion is present. But the way of writing the formula BrCl, B is there bromine, bromido, and C is there chlorido, and amine A is here, and ethylene diamine last is present. So the way of writing the formula is wrong. So we have to arrange according to the alphabetical order. A amine to come first, and bromido B should come next. Chlorido third, chlorido should come last. Ethylene diamine. It is a correct formula. Next, way of writing that no gap between the ligons and central metal ion while you write in the coordination sphere. First, writing this coordination sphere, one set and then this set. Suppose that the counter ion is present, this left side means even that also we should give space for this writing. For example, K4 is present, potassium, then space, and then writing all the names together in one sentence without any gap. So here the first one cation is started first. So first we should give the naming of this within a square bracket. So within a square bracket, how to give the name means we should come from the right to left. First ligons and then central metal atom. So central metal atom or ion, this central metal atom to be said as a last. Next we should come across to the ligons. There are so many ligons are there means even this ligons name to be writing only according to the alphabetical order. So here hexa, 6 means hexa. So this is amine. So hexa, amine, Gopal, Roman letter 3. That is Gopal to valency oxidation status plus 3. That is Arabian letters plus 3 to be written in a Roman numerals. This is called Roman numerals to be enclosed in a closed bracket. So hexa, amine, Gopalt, Roman letter 3, enclosed in a closed bracket. So within a square bracket, first we should say that is called cation. Hexa, 6 means hexa. This is NH3 is called amine. Gopalt, Roman letter 3, enclosed in a closed bracket. Over. Next we should come across the counter ions we should come. So gap should be live only between cation and anion. Now we have completed cation. No? Next we have come across the anion. No? So this is chloride. We are not supposed to see the numbers whether 2 or 3 or 4, just neglected number, just to say chloride, bromide, like that. So we should keep a gap between cation and the anion. So this is cation. Up to this cation, then chloride, anion. I left some space that is called the gap between cation and anion, but within the square bracket, the central metal ion and the ligands are not to be said any gap. Next, in the name of the complex, CO, NH3, 6 within a square bracket, and outside the square bracket, Cl3. Now let us come to this hexa. That A is come at last for hexa, and amine, first A for a amine to be retained. So what a hexa, and again we should write A amine, Gopalt, Roman letter 3, chloride. So up to this, no gap at all to be written. Hexa amine, Gopalt, Roman letter 3, enclosed in close bracket. Hexa amine, Gopalt, Roman letter 3. Then this is cation. Next anion. Just to leave some space and then write a chloride, negligible of these numbers. Next, oxidation state of central metal ion is designed by Roman numerals. Cu2 plus to be written Cu Roman letter 2. It should be enclosed in a closed bracket. Roman letter 3 plus Roman letter 3 enclosed in a closed bracket. 4 plus Roman letter 4 enclosed in a 4. So when the formula of the charge coordination entity is to be written without the counter ions. So charge is indicated outside the square bracket as the right superscript with the number before the sign. So let us see the example, only then you will understand. Here the square bracket, it is called as a coordination entity. Within this, here we have ligand and the central metal atom, and this ligand is 6, so it is enclosed in a closed bracket. Then here the valency, the charge is 3 minus. The 3 minus how to write means not to be written minus 3. We are supposed to write first a numeral number and then put a sign of minus or plus. Here 2 minus, not to write a minus 2. Here 3 minus, not to write a minus 3. 3 plus only to be written. Here 2 plus. In writing, for example, copper or cobalt or chromium, like that, charge is minus 3, plus 3. Metals are completely having only plus, no minus at all for metals. So for it is a mobile of electron, it has, C of mobile electron, it has all the metals. So metals are having rich electrons. So not to be written as a minus. Everything, all the metal to be written only in a positive. So for example, cobalt is a plus 3 charge means we can write plus 3. If it is a plus 2 means write plus 2. If it is charge is minus 4 means write minus 4. But while you write in formula, you are supposed to write in a Paka rule to be followed, that is 3 minus only to be written, not minus 3. 3 plus 3 not to be written. Now plus 3 you should write in a formula means 3 plus only to be written. So next, the charge of the cation is balanced by the charge of the anion. Next, spelling of the amine. NH3 contains 2 M's. In ordinary amine contain only 1 M. So to be spelled it as a amine, it would be spelled as a amine. For example, NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. In this example, that is 2 amine groups are linked with the ethylene. So ethylene diamine, 2 amine, diamine. So only 1 amine is present. So IUPAC name is ethane hyphen, because this is a alphabet letter and this is a Arabian letter. So in between Arabian letter and the alphabet, we are supposed to put a hyphen. and 1, 2. 2 or 3 numbers, whatever it is, we should put comma, comma. So 1, 2, again alphabet is coming. So Arabian letter and the alphabet is a hyphen. So this is the way of writing, the correct procedure of writing ethane hyphen 1, 2 hyphen diamine, not a mine. A mine, double M should come only for ammonia, and NH3 is called, and NH2 is called as a, this is NH2 is called as a amine. Only 1 M should come. Thank you, students.